Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka here on FM 100 ICRT.
大家好，我是阿斌哥 Leo。
你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. How about some proverbs again this day? All right, on this edition of We Love Hakka, 再次来介绍一些谚语好吗？
好啊，没问题。
好的，所以今天的谚语会跟什么有关呢？我来猜一下，跟吃有关。
对，跟吃有关。
Yes. All right. Here's a proverb that has to do with eating, with food. Why not? Okay, what is it?
小食稻香米，
小食稻香米，
豆食冇米絲，
豆食冇米絲。怎么感觉有豆浆的感觉？很多豆啊，这是什么？
其实跟豆完全没有关系。
It sounds like the soil milk, but it has nothing to do with that. What is it? 第一句话再讲一次，怎么是什么意思？
小食稻香米，少吃呢，那个味道就比较香。
那个东西不常吃，它可能就很香。
对，
是这样的意思吗？
或者是说你很饿的时候，你什么都觉得好香，好好吃。
That's true. Okay, so the first part of this proverb literally means something that you don't eat that much actually tastes delicious. OK, 好，那后面是刚好反过来的意思咯。
对，那所以你就可以猜了嘛。
就是说吃很多的东西就没什么味道了。
对，豆食就是多吃，吃的太多的时候呢，就冇米絲就没味道。
对，就像有朋友什么我每天都吃牛排，不想再吃了，就听得很难过，你知道吗？
对，
我们大概2-3个月才吃一次牛排，你这
想要踹他两脚，对
，exactly.
可恶。
All right, so the second part is actually the exact opposite. When you have a certain item or certain food frequently, it doesn't taste as good anymore. Like a friend of mine, he has steak all the time, and when we want to go out for steak, he's like, no, I don't want that anymore, and I hate that. Right? All right, let's hear the explanation in English.
Food that's scarce is full of flavor. Plentiful food tastes bland. This proverb is a reminder to eat in moderation. When food is hard to come by, every morsel seems full of flavor. By contrast, when you have too much to eat, even the choicest delicacies can seem insipid. Hakka people have a reputation for prudence even in dining. Parents often tell their offspring to avoid overeating even if they happen to be prosperous. Eating too much is bad for the health and a waste of resources, and as the proverb suggests, far less enjoyable than just enough.
And now let's have Leo repeat this proverb, this phrase again. 我们再来听一下 Leo 把这句谚语给讲出来。
好，小食稻香米，豆食冇米絲。
That does for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么大家？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.